Hi everyone, and welcome to Villa Altaviti. Located here in the world-famous Chianti wine region of Tuscany, a short distance from Florence, Lucca, Pisa, Siena and San Gimignano, and surrounded by quintessential Tuscan landscapes of vineyards, olive groves and rolling countryside. And this villa is a real stunner. A classic countryside villa, fully renovated with modern finishes, cutting-edge technology, designer furnishings on the inside, a large infinity pool and luscious gardens on the outside. What really marks this property out, however, is the fact that it is truly turnkey, which is a real rarity in the Tuscan market. As far as turnkey properties go, this is about as good as it gets. So, let's go take a look for ourselves.